it's Early J here, and today is not a normal video. I know, because look at this. Look at this Samsung Music. This is a video I would like to make. Okay, what? Okay, so this is Samsung Music. Okay, this has a 3.0 review. Do you want to see why? Look at this. Now I'll give you a little thing probably somewhere to the left or right telling you to skip past this or whatever. But this is why it has 3.0 review. Edge lighting is gone only and it's only binding white opposed to the previous dark blue. One of the main reasons I love this hat was edge lighting. Now it's gone. Smooth, guys. Can we have dark mode, please? White background, too much, harsh for the eyes. Look at all of this. People do not like this right here, okay? They don't like white backgrounds. Like, white backgrounds are horrible. Now, as you can see, I have mine dark, and this is a very easy tutorial. I don't have to really do much. So what you're gonna want to do is swipe down here, go over, see night mode, turn that on, because if you turn it off, now you got all of this white background, and you can't change it. You can go to your settings, you can look, sleep timer, you think that no, that's actually sleep timer. It's not gonna help you sleep with this white background. Now, as you can see, there's nothing in the settings about edge lighting or the dark background. Now that sucks, because I think it used to be here, whatever, or it came default dark mode, but now you have to go all the way up here, go to night mode, turn that on physically just to get all of this. Now look at this. This is amazing. All right, but before that was disgusting, you guys. And then they took away the edge. That's what you get. Oh, copyright. No, thank you. But yeah, that's pretty much how you change it. Everyone's just super mad about the light mode and edge lighting gone while you're playing music. I really liked it, and that's pretty much it. Samsung, what are you doing? This icon is super, I'm not gonna say anything, but it's I'd prefer the old one. It was way nicer than this. What do you have now? Like, if you go over here, look at how depressing it is right here. Look, this is not modern. This is like a child's thing. That's ew. But thank you guys for watching. Remember to drop a like, keep it real, and I don't know, bro, just do whatever, man, because I don't know if this helped you. Drop a like.